Welcome. If you've been using Instagram on your PC and wondering how to show your activity status with the latest update, you're in the right place. Instagram has made a few subtle changes on the web version, but once you know where to look, it's actually pretty quick to set up. First, open Instagram in your browser and log into your account like you normally would. Make sure everything has fully loaded so you can see your home feed and the side menu. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open up more options. This is where Instagram has tucked away several important settings in the new layout. Once the menu expands, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different parts of your account. Don't worry if it looks a bit different from what you remember. This is part of the recent update. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Messages and Story Replies. Go ahead and click on it. This area controls how you interact with messages and how others see your activity. Next, find the option called Activity Status. Click on that, and you'll see a toggle for Show Activity Status. Simply switch it on. Once enabled, your followers and people you message will be able to see when you're active or when you were last online. Keep in mind, when you turn this on, you'll also be able to see other people's activity status, but only if they have it enabled too. It's a two-way feature.